Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import your Mailchimp contacts into Omnisend. It's really simple and completely free, so let's jump right in. So in your Omnisend account, there's two ways to go about this. Number one is we go to Apps, which is going to take us to the Omnisend app market, and search for Mailchimp. That's going to show us Mailchimp data import tool, and we just click Connect Now. Alternatively, we can go to Audience, click Add Contacts, and select the Mailchimp data import tool from here. Either way, that's going to open up this same page where we have to enter our Mailchimp API key. So we're going to head over to Mailchimp by clicking Your API Keys. I'm already logged into my Mailchimp account, so it opens the page right up. If you don't have any active API keys like me, just click Create a Key, wait for it to load, and then copy and paste it into Omnisend, and click Next. Here you can change some settings and pick what exact contacts you want to import. If you just want your entire audience, I recommend leaving everything as is. And then click Finish, and you're done. The connection between your Mailchimp and Omnisend accounts is now established and will import all of your contacts into Omnisend. This also syncs a bunch of contact information every 24 hours. That includes email addresses, phone numbers, country codes, first and last names, VIP statuses, languages, tags, segments which are going to appear in Omnisend as tags, and audiences which are also going to show up as tags, and even the average campaign open rates and click rates for every contact. And subscription statuses and all new contacts are always synced in real time. Now, one last thing before we end off. If you ever decide to completely shut down your Mailchimp account and fully transition into sending through Omnisend, make sure to disable the import tool beforehand. Because remember, subscription statuses are always synced in real time. So when you close your Mailchimp account, all of your contacts there are going to become archived. They're also going to become unsubscribed in Omnisend. And my guess is that you probably don't want that to happen. So before closing your Mailchimp account, make sure that you go to Apps to open up the Omnisend app market and click the arrow next to the Mailchimp data import tool and click Remove. Alright, that being said, I really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you run into any difficulties, feel free to contact our 24/7 support.